if I want to continue with the marketing minor.
Or it might be, hey, you know, I took this class, so now I'm thinking this, and then we talk about that and see if we need to make any changes to a plan.
Well, perfect. Thank you so much.
Come back if you need anything else, okay?
Will do.
Okay.
Have a good
See
one.
you later.
Bye.
You too.
Just finished journaling and I have been listening to SZA's album all morning. It is so freaking good. If you haven't listened to it yet, go listen to it because it's phenomenal. Let me see if y'all can see this. So the tarp is off of my house, finally. And I'm just so happy because now I can see the pretty snow and the view and all that stuff. But there's still noise. Anyways, happy Vlogmas day 14. The past couple of videos have been leading up to finals week. Well, I only have one day of finals. I only have 2 finals that I have to take this year, which is business and math. And it's on the same day, and then literally the next day I'm flying out to Tahoe. So it kind of worked out perfectly where I travel and then I go straight to Tahoe, and then from Tahoe straight to Austin. I mentioned this earlier, but in case you missed it, I'm going to Tahoe with Drew, my boyfriend, and his sister, and then her boyfriend as well. And I'm so excited. I haven't been since I was super little, so I'm really excited to go. But yeah, today's gonna be really fun. There are a couple things in the air, but then there's also like a solidified plan for today. I believe from 1 to 4, there is a party going on that one of the frats are throwing here at Boise State, and the theme is 80s in Aspen. I'm not really sure if I'm gonna go to that. My friends and I, we want to go, but it just depends on if, like, I don't know, we gotta like hear how it goes first and then we'll show up. But what we know is happening tonight is we're having a little Christmas party, and it's gonna be at Lex and Kaylee's apartment. There's gonna be a bunch of people my age from Boise State there, and we're just gonna have fun, eat good food. But I do want to bring something, so I'm gonna bake some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins using Trader Joe's pumpkin bread because I love that mix, but I've never made it with muffins, so we're gonna experiment together. I do want to go on a walk though. I'm debating whether or not I want to go downtown really quick. I do know that I need to shower before I go out to any party or to the Christmas thing tonight because my hair is so oily. I just like slicked it back in this MEJ clip. Oh, the person that I was talking to, I had an advising meeting this morning because I'm switching my major from economics to entrepreneurship. And the reason why is because one of the business professors at Boise State, he and I chatted a bit, and he was like, why are you doing economics? Do you want to go into poli-sci or become a lawyer? And I was like, absolutely not. So he was like, then don't take that. So that's all he had to say. Switched my major to entrepreneurship, and I would have done that beforehand. I just had no idea that that was actually an option. So now this is what my major minor is gonna look like. I'm majoring in entrepreneurship management, minoring in marketing. I am on FaceTime currently with the one and only.
Hello.
People are probably annoyed that I show you in every video, but we do long distance, so beat it. I'm kidding. I have a busy day. I just ran errands and got some gifts, which I will show you. But first, I have to hurry and make pumpkin muffins with chocolate chips. Of course, I'm gonna use the Trader Joe's pumpkin bread mix because this is like, it gives me life every time I make it. But I've never made muffins, so I'm kind of nervous. Hopefully I don't screw it up. I also just made lunch off camera, and it was really weird because I like threw in a bunch of random stuff, but it was really good, believe it or not. And it was healthy. So Drew and I are comparing our family group chats because I would say they're different, right?
Oh yeah.
Like, oh my God.
And then I'm sending you another.
Yeah, what our families say in our individual family group chats is so contradictory and like opposite of each other's that is just comical at this point. Like, unreal.
I think they took out whenever you screenshot on FaceTime, it doesn't put the person on FaceTime in the picture anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This morning I washed my makeup brushes and I have not washed them in a horrible to say amount of time. Needless to say, they were absolutely gross. This is your reminder to wash your makeup brushes. Do it, Drew.
I'll wash mine. Put the makeup in there.
Okay.
Don't be too stressed out, okay?
Okay.
Bye, baby.
God bless Trader Joe's, you guys. That's all I gotta say. This mix is just, oh, that just got everywhere. Also for chocolate chips, I'm gonna add in the Trader Joe's, I think it's 72% cacao dark chocolate chips. I'm kind of honestly now a dark chocolate enthusiast because before I was very, very strictly only semi-sweet or milk chocolate. But dark chocolate is actually really yummy. So I'm excited for that. Second round of muffins are in the oven right now. The first round turned out so good. I'm so happy and they smell amazing. So now I'm just gonna wrap 3 gifts. Oh wait, I never even showed y'all what I got. Okay, so yesterday's Vlogmas, I showed how I went shopping and got the Day shampoo and conditioner for my friend KK. But I went out to Nordstrom. Oh my gosh, my camera's about to die. Really quick, I have 2 different bar instructors, so I got them each the same present. There's this little set and then a Ghirardelli milk chocolate with caramel. This is what it looks like. I'll show it really quick before my camera dies. How unfortunate. But there's like a candle, body wash, lotion, and then body mist. Just got here to Lex and Kaylee's apartment and I'm freezing. Hi guys. Okay, so I'm currently in Lex and Kaylee's apartment right now, and there's this huge little gathering room. It's so stinking cute, and there's this super nice kitchen as well, and then it goes right into the workout room, which y'all saw me work out in the other day. But I mean, like, how cute is this? So this is where we're having our Christmas party. And as y'all saw, Kaylee and I hung up the Merry sign. She's running and grabbing the Christmas and we're gonna string it together. These are the pumpkin chocolate chip muffins that I baked. We're gonna have some cookie decorating, some nice little drinks, and then, yeah, I think she's grabbing a couple more things from her car, but I'm really excited. Also, I think Lex and I might run and grab pizza. We're gonna pick up pizza and bring it back here. But everybody's coming at 7 and right now it's 5:36. So we've got a lot of time. I'm just so happy and excited. Literally, this is like the best way to kick off finals by being with your friends, in the Christmas spirit, and yeah, KK's coming too, which I'm really excited about.
Start sprinkling?
Yeah. You guys, this car in Lex and Kaylee's apartment has my heart.
Everybody was eating Caroline's muffins.